Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new orders from Ecwid to Hubspot. This is necessary to automatically transfer new orders from Ecwid to other systems. For example, in Hubspot you can create new contacts. Each time you create a new order in Ecwid, it is convenient to store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Select Ecwid as the data source system. Next, you need to choose an action, Get Orders New. Next, you need to connect your Ecwid account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, we need to specify the login and password of the Ecwid personal account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. There are no additional settings for the Ecwid system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this point, you see test data for one of your Ecwid orders. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Ecwid data source successfully. Now you need to move on to setting up data reception. Choose Hubspot as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select the action, Create Contact. At this stage, you need to connect your Hubspot account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, enter your login and password from your Hubspot account. Next, you need to select the account to which you want to transfer data. At this stage, you need to give your permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. Next, you need to fill in the fields with variables from Ecwid. To assign a variable, click on the field and select the required variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also prescribe values manually. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Continue. At this point, we see the test data that will be sent to Hubspot. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Hubspot. Go to your personal account and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue the configuration. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.